Hello everyone. Thank you for being with me. In today's video, we are continuing with the simple equation in two variables, the basics of which has already been covered in a previous video, whose link is given here. We will be looking at a few verbal problems leading to simple equations in two variables. Let's begin with a simple question first. 10 years ago, A was 4 times as old as B was. 10 years hence, A will be twice as old as B will be. Find the present age of B. These are the four options given. There are two people here, A and B. Let's assume A and B be the ages of A and B currently. Now, in the first sentence, the problem talks about their ages 10 years ago. See, currently, if A's age is A, 10 years ago, A's age will be A minus 10. Similarly, B's age was B minus 10. Now, there is a relationship between these two numbers. The problem says the age of A was 4 times. Was means equal to 4 times as old as B was. And B was this age 10 years ago. So this is what the problem says in the first sentence. We got one equation. Now let's look at the next sentence, which also we can translate into another equation. There it talks about 10 years hence. 10 years hence means 10 years from now. Currently A's age is A. So after 10 years, A will be A plus 10. Similarly, B will be B plus 10. And then the problem says A's age, which is this, will be twice as old as B will be. B's age after 10 years is this, so twice of this. So this is what we get from the second statement of the problem. So there are two equations now. Now let's simplify each of the equations. See the first equation, A minus 10, distributing 4 to the two terms inside. 4 times B minus 4 times 10, which is 40. In the next step, we will collect variables on the one side. So A is there. 4B taken to the left side. Here it is plus. So on the left, it will be minus. So A minus 4B. And then there is minus 40 on the right side. This minus taken to the right side, it will become plus 10. Now, this is A minus 4B minus 40 plus 10. On simplifying, you get 30. Okay, now doing the same simplification steps in the second equation. On the left, you have A plus 10, 2 multiplied by B, that is 2B. Then 2 multiplied by 10, which is 20. Again, 2B taken to the left side, it becomes minus 2B. Then there is 20 here, 10 taken to the right side, you have 20 minus 10. So A minus 2B equals 30. Let's write this equation, A minus 2B equals 30. Sorry, I made a mistake here. This is not 30, 20 minus 10 is 10. So this will be 10. Now the problem is about finding current age of B. So let's get rid of A. All you need to do is subtract equation 1 from 2. A and A will cancel out. We begin with second equation. So write minus 2B minus 4B equals, on the right side you have what? 10 is there for the second equation. Then comes minus 30. So look at this, minus 2B minus minus, that will be plus 4B. Again 10 minus minus, that means plus 40. Minus 2B plus 4B plus 2B. Oh, sorry, this 10 you don't need to repeat here. 10 minus minus will be 10 plus 30, and the whole thing will be 40 on simplification. So you get rid of this 10. See, on the right side 10 minus minus, that will be 10 plus 30, which is 40. So you will have 2b on the left side and the right side will be 40. Taking 2 to the right side, you have 40 divided by 2, which is 20. As per our assumption, B is the current age of the person B. And this is the final answer, which is given as second option. Let's move to the next question. 2 burgers and 3 puffs cost rupees 190. 3 burgers and 2 puffs cost rupees 210. Find the total cost of 1 burger and 1 puff. There are 4 options given. Let B and P denote the cost of 1 burger and 1 puff. So the cost of 2 burgers will be twice B. Similarly, the cost of 3 puffs will be 3 times P. They say 2 burgers and 3 puffs together. That means 2B plus 3P equals 190. Similarly, 3 burgers. That means 3B. B is the cost of 1 burger. So 3 multiplied by B will give you the cost of 3 burgers. Then 2 puffs. Cost together 210. Now to solve this equation, we will use the method of elimination. So what do? We will make the coefficient of B the same. Here it is 2, here it is 3. For that, let me multiply the first equation by 3. You need to multiply each and every term on the left as well as on the right by this number 3. So on the left you get 3 multiplied by 2B, 6B. Again 3P multiplied by 3, which is 9P. Then 190 multiplied by 3. See, 19 multiplied by 3 is 57. So you will have 570. Similarly, the next equation, let's multiply it by 2. I hope you understand why I am choosing 3 here and 2 here. Because when you do this multiplication for the second equation, there also you are getting 6b. So you are getting the same coefficient. Now 2p multiplied by 2, which is 4p. Then the right side 2 multiplied by 210, which is 420. Subtract equation 4 from 3. Rather, 3 minus 4. These two will cancel out. 9p minus 4p. Okay, let me write 9p minus 4p on the left. On the right, 570 minus 420. 9p minus 4p, 5p. 570 minus 420, 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 2, 5. 5 minus 4, 1. Now take 5 to the right side. 150 divided by 5. And this on simplifying, you get 30. So we have found out the cost of P as 30. Now to get the cost of B, we will substitute P equals 30 in this equation. So it goes like this. 2B, let me write as it is. Then comes 3P. P replaced by its value, which is 30, equals 190. 2B, this is 90, equals 190. 2B, 90 taken to the right side, you will get 190 minus 90. Here it is plus, on the right is minus. So 190 minus 90, 100. This means B equals, see, 100 divided by 2, which is 50. Thus, we got the cost of both puff and the burger. We need the total cost of 1 burger and one puff, which is B plus P. B just now found to be 50. The other one was 30. So the final answer is 80. And this is the first option given here. For this problem, I can show you a shortcut to get to the answer 80, which will work as a special case in this problem, not in every other problem. That's why I didn't show you the shortcut in the beginning. Only the long approach we discussed here will work in all the problems. This is a special case. See, let me write the equations we got. 2b plus 3p equals 190 and 3b plus 2p 210. These are the equations we have framed using the data in the problem. In the next step, add these two equations. If you add these two equations, 1 plus 2, see 2b plus 3b is what? 5b. 3p plus 2p is what? 5p. On the right side, 190 plus 210, 400. Now 5 is common. We will take it out. B plus P equals 400. Now take 5 to the right side. B plus P. Here it is multiplication. On the right, it will be division. So you get 400 divided by 5, which on simplification, 80. See, this is what you're asked to find out. The total cost of one burger and one P. And that is 80. So this is a slightly shorter approach. The third question is about a two-digit number. The question is this. The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 10. If the digits are interchanged, the resulting number is 18 less than the original number. Find the original number. Let me take number 42. We say 2 is the digit in the units place and 4 is the digit in the tens place. And what is the number you get by interchanging these two digits? 24. This I showed you to make you familiar with the steps I am going to use in the solution to this problem. We don't know the digits here. The digits in the units and tens place. Let x be the digit in the tens place and y be the digit in the units place. See, generally we don't write xy as the number, even though these are the digits, because xy refers to x multiplied by y. See, when you write 42, it doesn't mean 4 multiplied by 2. But when you write xy, it will be taken to mean x times y. So what do? See, look at this number 42. There is a way to represent any two-digit number. That is like this. 10 multiplied by 4 plus 2. This is the expanded form of a two-digit number. So in the same way, if the digits are x and y, the number will be this. 10x plus y. This will be the number. These are the digits. Like you can see 4 and 2 are the digits. The two-digit number will be 10 multiplied by 4 plus 2. Any two-digit number is expressible in this form. We got an algebraic expression like 10x plus y as the number. As you know, there are two variables here, which are the two digits of the number. So you need two equations. The first equation is readily available. They say the sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 10. What does that mean? This is the first digit. This is the second digit. And that sum is given to be 10. So we got equation 1. Now we need one more equation, for which there is something else given in the problem, which says if the digits are interchanged. See, when you know the digits as in this numerical example, 4 and 2, this is the number you get by interchanging the digits. So in the same way, when you interchange the digits, see, y will go here, x will take the place of y, and the number will be 10y plus x. So this is the number you get by interchanging the digits of this original number. And what is the relationship? If the digits are interchanged, the resulting number, that is this number, is said to be less than the original number by 18. So how do you translate that into an equation? You write the original number, which is 10x plus y, and this is the number formed by interchanging the digits. This number is less than this number. That means put a minus sign, and that's given to be 18. Now you just simplify this equation. 10x plus y. Distribute minus sign to both the terms inside the bracket. You will get minus 10y and minus x. On the right side, 18. Then combining these two, 10x minus x, that will be 9x. And y minus 10y minus 9y equals 18. In the next step, you divide this equation throughout by 9. To simplify the equation, so x minus y, 18 divided by 9, 2. This is the second equation. This is the first equation. Now we got two very simple equations. By solving them, you will get both x and y. Let me rewrite the equations again. X plus y equals 10. Here x minus y equals 2. Just add these two equations. Y will get eliminated. X plus x, 2x. Y gone. On the right side, you have 10 plus 2, which is 12. X equals 12 divided by 2, which is 6. So x is equal to 6. Now to get y, substitute in this equation. 6 plus y equals 10. Y equals 6 taken to the right side, 10 minus 6, which is 4. So what is the number? 64. See, x is the digit in the tens place. Y is the digit in the units place. So the number is 64. Now there is another approach to getting this answer. In the second method, which is slightly short of what we do is, you may please refer back to the question. The problem says the sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 10. See, what are the possible values? See, the possible values are 19, sum is 10, 28, 55, then 64, 73, 82, 91. See, basically you can find 9 numbers, 90, 28, 37 like that. If you go, you will have 9 two-digit numbers with the sum of their digits being 10 in all the cases. In the same problem, they say when the digits are interchanged, the resulting number you get is less than the original number, which is possible only for these numbers. See, if you take 19, when you interchange the digits, you're getting 91. And this is not less than this. Similarly, 28 means 82. Again, not less. So up to this, you don't need to consider. Then there are these 4 possibilities in which when you interchange the digits, you will be getting a smaller number. For example, 64. Interchanging, you get 46. And what does the question say? When you interchange, the number you get, which is 46, is less than the original number, which is 64 by 18. What is 64 minus 46? That correctly turns out to be 18. That implies what? 64 is the answer. That's all. You don't need to waste time doing this. Say, taking 73, the number you get on interchanging the digits 37. 73 minus 37 is 36. Similarly, all these other numbers will not be equal to 18. 18 is true only for 64. So 18. This is another way to approach the problem. You don't need to waste time framing equations. The next question is this. The present age of a woman is thrice that of her only daughter. When the woman was 28 years old, her only son, who is 4 years younger to her daughter, was born. Find the present age of the son. Let W be the present age of the woman and D, the current or the present age of the daughter. And the first sentence says, the present age of a woman is thrice that of her only daughter. That means W equals thrice of daughter's age. You got one equation. In the second sentence, the problem says the woman was 28 when her son was born. And that son is said to be 4 years younger to the daughter. So can you guess the age of the woman when the daughter was born? See, the son is said to be younger to the daughter. So obviously when the daughter was born, the woman was 4 years younger. So the age of the woman when the daughter was born equals 28, which is the age of the woman when the son was born. And the son is said to be younger than the daughter. So the daughter is the older one. So obviously when the daughter was born, the woman was 4 years younger than her age when the son was born. I hope you understand this. So 24 is the age of the woman when the daughter was born. Now, if I say your mother was 24 when you were born, currently also the difference between your age and your mother's age would be 24. That does not change. In the same way, W assumed to be the age of the woman currently and D assumed to be the age of the daughter, and this will be the difference, and that difference will be 24. And this will be the second equation. So look at, we have two equations, W equal to 3D1, W minus D, 24. Here you may use the method of substitution. This I can write, instead of W, let me substitute 3D. Can you see that? And then comes this D. This W is 3D, this D equals 24. 3D minus D, 2D equals 24. This implies D equals, taking 2 to the right side, you get 24 divided by 2, which is 12. That means the current age of the daughter is 12, but the question is about finding the age of the son. And the son is given to be 4 years younger to the daughter. So the son's age, present age, that will be 12 minus 4, which is 8. That is the first option. So I have covered problems from different areas in simple equations involving two variables. If there is any specific problem you want me to discuss, drop your comments. By the way, if you found the video useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.